Welcome to this video. I'm glad you've made it this far and you're sticking through the entire tutorial. If this is your first time discovering us, make sure you go back and watch the previous videos to catch up and follow along with what we're doing, and so you're not confused on the prior steps we've taken so far. So in the previous video, we signed up for Debutify, which is one of the theme options we have in the resources section of our website. The link to that page is right below this video. And we created an account. So let's move forward. After you sign up for Debutify, and like I said, that is one of the themes that you can use. And the beautiful thing about Debutify is that you have the free option. You can start with the free option, then upgrade to the $29.99 or the $79.99, whatever, and go up the ladder that way. So when you sign up for Debutify, you're going to see a page like this. And it's going to say your account has been created and a verification link has been sent to your email address. So all we have to do is head over to the email, and you see there, verify email address. We're going to click on that link, verify email address, and it's going to take us to a dashboard like this. Now, once we're here, you can skip the intro, navigation thing. And if you have time, definitely look at it. There's some cool videos and tutorials that will show you around the Debutify dashboard, like this one you're seeing right here. And I want you to go ahead and skip that or take your time and watch it. Now, the first thing we're going to do is get the theme. So let's go ahead and get the theme. Click on get the theme and hit the download button. Hit the download button. And then once it downloads, you're going to see the file in the bottom left corner of your screen, right there with the arrow. So what we're going to do is just take that theme, the zip file. Please don't unzip the file. So it's a special type of file. You're just going to install it the way it is. So X out of this, and we're going to head back over to our Shopify store to upload the zip file. And that's how our theme is going to get installed. So go onto the left side and click on Online Store Themes is the first option. And you will see right now that we currently have the Dawn theme installed. And you can remove your password later. This is the free theme that comes default with Shopify. So we're going to go ahead and add theme, upload zip file. Now, when we click on that, we're just going to drag and drop in that area, in that rectangular area, and we can easily upload file. But another way you can do this is click upload file, then click add file, and it's going to open up all the file window, and you can go ahead and select the file from wherever you downloaded it to. So we're just going to drag and drop. And now we're going to hit upload file. Remember, we're uploading the zip file, and then I'm going to fast track this. It's installed right now. Just let it do its thing. And I'm going to go ahead and actually rename this. This is just my habit. You don't need to do this, but I like renaming my themes. So renamed to Chloe and Ali theme, save. And now that's our theme. We can go ahead and publish this and make it our default theme, especially since this is a brand new store and we can take off the password later. If you already have a store, you don't need to do this. You can just go ahead and customize your theme, and it's not going to be a current theme. Like right now, I have the Chloe and Ali theme. So you can keep whatever old theme you have and then publish later. If you scroll down, you will see all the free themes that Shopify has there for you. So we have the refresh theme is installing. And this is the cool thing with Shopify. I'm going to add a bunch of themes. You will see that from the theme store, all I just got to do is click one button, add theme, and it just adds it. That's really cool. And that's one of the advantages of getting your theme directly from the Shopify theme store. Then we're not dealing with zip files and all that stuff. You just go ahead and click add, like I'm doing right now with the craft theme. And it's just going to add it and install it. So remember, all these free themes don't have like I always say, the bells and whistles like the paid theme. So Debutify is the paid theme. It just has a free tier for you to start. And then from there you upgrade or to the paid ones. We're going to go ahead and customize the theme, and I click customize. It brought us to this nice dashboard. But before we move forward, I want to take time to talk about the help center of Debutify. This is a big pro of having Debutify because they have this help center that has a whole lot of resources for you. So when you click the help center button on the bottom and it brings you to this page, you can literally search for whatever you're looking for. Let's say you want to know how to install a theme or an add-on. That's it. You just go to the section right there. It says new to Debutify will help you install your Debutify. These guys have done a great job. 14 articles on that section, and every subsection has so many more articles underneath. And these are individual articles to troubleshoot something. So learn how to Debutify theme and add-ons can help you scale you can take your time and go through hundreds, like right here, 105 articles. And let's click on that one. On the theme, you can see there's so many topics: how to fix blocking the theme download, anything you can think about. I believe these guys have already covered it. And we can click on this one on Instagram. Let's click on that. The Instagram feed, how to remove Instagram feed. This is something we're going to see down the line. And it shows you the pictures and where to click and all of that. So this is amazing. You literally have tutorials. That is a big pro of having Debutify. Now, moving on, we're going to look at the simple, effective structure that you can model after. This is something we went over in our last website review workshop. Now, this structure shows you the website header, the main banner, then we have the featured collection, and this is something we've put together to help you guys create this easy, simple flow. Less is more. Literally follow this structure and you have a nice looking homepage. Your homepage basically sets the tone of what to expect with your brand. So we have this nice structure, and you can see the 800 by 1200 picture size. You want to make everything, congruent, make it the same across the board, and it's going to be aesthetically appealing to people when they come here. We have the footer section, the newsletter section. So follow this structure and you're definitely going to have a nice looking homepage. So back to customizing our website, and we have the structure here laid out, and you can see the default structure that Debutify comes with. It includes this Instagram section, and all of these are on the left side of the menu. You can see all the template. It has the sections and all these other things on account settings. So we're going to go to the Instagram feed, and here you can actually follow a step-by-step tutorial if you want to see that nice Instagram feed on your homepage. These guys already have you covered. They have a video that shows you how to generate the code and everything to make the token code and all that fun stuff. And that's how you can give access to your Instagram and display that on your website. So this is cool. Just follow the tutorial. And we're going to go ahead and turn off the Instagram feed because we don't want it. We don't need it for the structure we created. As your skill level increases, you can go back and add that. So let's save that progress. Next, this section here, the guarantee section, you can edit that, but we're just going to take it off. It's not part of the structure that we have. So click on the section right there on the white space, and we're going to turn off the section by just unchecking where it says show section, unchecked. And right now we can go back, turn it back on or go add the guarantees, all that fun stuff, but we don't need it. Remember, we have a structure we're following. So please just stick with the structure right now. So now we have the banner. We have the header, then the banner, the header area, then we have this nice banner. We need to add all the other structures. Forget about the content right now. And we have all these settings we can play with. These are, you can learn, each of these have like video tutorials. Like these guys have done a great job. So let's back out of this. Remember, we're following this structure. The header, main banner, then we need to add a featured collection. So let's go add that element into our website structure, our framework. We're going to click on add section, and then we're going to click on not collection list. We're going to click on featured collection, and boom, it's added, but it's added on top. So we have to rearrange that. But you also see that it's a carousel. We don't want a carousel. We want it to be an actual grid. Click back and you see on the left side on the templates, that's it, the featured collection. We're going to click the featured image and drag it on top because that's the way we want it. So on top, just create the framework. Don't worry about the content now. We're going to add the content later. The featured collection, we're going to turn off the carousel and make it a grid. And here it's now a grid. That's what I'm looking for. Nice. You can turn it on and off, but we just want it off for now. So we have the framework is coming together nicely, right? Header section, main banner, featured collection. Now we need to add another banner, but because I don't have much graphics created right now, we're just going to add something different. Let's add the collection. Let's add a section. Now collection list, let's add that. And that's added. And we're going to go ahead and let's add one more thing. Instead of doing the featured image this time, I'm going to do like a featured content or something. So we can write like 100% natural or something fun like that. So I'm just adding the featured content, and we're going to go ahead and go back and rearrange it and bring it on top. So just drag and drop on top. Yep. So featured content. and we have that nice framework come together. And you have the footer section, you have everything, just like the framework, footer section, newsletter. It just looks the same. So this is what we're looking for. We have our nice framework ready. And remember, Debutify has you covered already with extra tutorials on how everything works in there. You just need to click the element and just follow along with this to understand how it works. The moment you do this a few times, you're going to understand how every other element works. So this is the whole goal of the tutorial. The moment you do it, then it starts clicking and you can go ahead and do the next level advanced stuff. If you're a beginner, just follow along. And then for those of you who are more advanced, you already know how to customize websites. You can go ahead and move forward with adding more features, but let's stick to this. Less is more. I will tell you that. Less is more with website design. You don't have to make it super complicated. This is it for the video. In the next video, we're going to probably start adding the elements we're going to design to fill this framework that we've created. We're going to add actual pictures and create products. And then all we do is just add in the elements, and it's just going to make the whole thing come together. If you are stuck or confused, one of the things you can do is come to one of our live sessions. We do have workshops and stuff like that we host, and you can attend that and ask us questions, and our team can help you with whatever you're struggling with, even the advanced stuff. We have advanced classes. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and you are going to get notified every time we drop a new video that could be helpful to you and your e-commerce journey. And also it's going to help us grow. And that's your way to support this channel. So thank you for being here and watching this video and following along. Keep watching the rest of the videos. And I promise you at the end of this series, you will have for yourself an amazing e-commerce website. Let's go.
Hey, I got a confession. Been losing all momentum. Just because it's easy